be quite long a little bit. Now you've created your first blog page. Let me first summarize it, how to create a blog page. First, go to blogger.com, type it on your Google, then click on creating your account. Start creating your account by giving it your blog name and everything like that. Then we come to, once you create your account successfully, it will open an interface for you. That's the back end of where you can be editing and writing new posts. And here we are right now. So this is the title of our post. I put it as my first blog page. Then I write some stuff, some write-up under it. So if I want to view my blog now, I can literally view my blog, and I'm going to see all these things. But the next step now to take is this. This potential has been bold, and I give it color. Now, what if I want to add a link to it that anybody that click on potential is going to take them either to another website or to my WhatsApp or anywhere? This is what I'm going to do. Click on it, hold it down, highlight it. You can see it has been highlighted. Then scroll this. Keep scrolling till where you are going to see the link. And here is the link here. The link is somewhere here. This is it. That's the link. Just click on it. That's the link icon. Can you see? Text to display, which means the potential we've highlighted, that's what it's going to display. And this is where the link will be. Let me look for one link that I have here. Let me look for one link. Okay, the link to my WhatsApp group. Let me put it there. The link to my WhatsApp group. Then the essence of all this, open this link in a new window. Click on it and add the no follow attribute. You can always click on this too. Then apply. You see that this potential is going to change to a link format. Can you see? It has changed to a link format. Let's save what we have done and go and check what we have done so far. Change, saved. Let's go back to our dashboard. Click on this, then click on view. This is how you are going to be doing it to see what you are doing. Now you see my first blog page. I am Potential by name, and this is my first blog page. Anybody can comment. If I click on the potential, it's going to take me to my WhatsApp directly. Can you see the magic behind it? So that's the magic behind it. Let's keep on editing. Let's go back to edit. Just click on it again. Click on it in the middle. It takes you to where you can start editing and inputting more write-up. Now, what are we going to do now? The next thing to do is, you see all these things I'm scrolling here, all these things are the one that you are going to use to make up or to design your blog. All these things I'm scrolling here are the one you are going to use to design your blog. I hope you are getting me now. So in this place, I put my first blog page. This thing is not in the middle. How can I bring it to the middle? Highlight it. Highlight everything. So far I want to bring everything to the middle. We highlight everything. My first blog page. You see this icon here? You scroll to this icon. This particular icon here. This one. You are going to click on it. At this time, my first blog page is at the left alignment. If I want to put it at the center, just click on it. Can you see it has taken it to the center? Anywhere you want to put it, this is justified. It's going to make it to be at the middle itself. It's going to justify it to be at the middle. So I want it to be at the left center. So that's okay by me. Now, this is like a subheading. My first blog page is like a subheading. So I have to make it big and bold, right? The next thing to do is, you can change the color by clicking on this color something. This is it here. You can change the color by clicking on this color aspect here. You click on it. It's going to change the color to anything you like. And let me use orange. After that, this B means bold. Click on it. It's going to bolden it. Can you see it as bolden it like that? Then this text, do you want it to be normal? Do you want it to be medium? Do you want it to be large, largest, small, smallest? It's also applied to this place of paragraph. It's still the same thing. Can you see major heading, subheading? Now it is a subheading. You can put it as subheading, or let's put it as heading. I hope you understand. My first blog page. That's all about that. Add more font. You can literally change the font. Let me put it in area. So this is where you can keep editing whatever you have done. Let's check it. Can you see my first blog page? My first blog page. I am Potential by name, and this is my first blog page. Now let's assume we want to insert video. How are you going to go about that? Let's assume we want to insert video. How are you going to go about that? Let's go to this. Go to a new page, then scroll to the video section. You scroll to the video section. This first one is the image section. This first one here is the image section. This one. This is where I use to insert this image you're seeing right now. While this second one here is the video section. So we want to insert the video. Let's click on it. Upload from computer. You can, if you see a YouTube video that you want to upload, just go to YouTube, copy the link and come and put it here by clicking on that YouTube aspect. Now we want to upload from our phone. Just choose a video to upload. We're going to take you back to your file manager, your phone file manager. Whereby you can see a video. So I can literally post all this video, right? Let me try picking one. Let me pick one video. Let me pick one video. So it's uploading. I want to do this step by step, but this is going to take most of our time. But doing it step by step will make you understand it better. That's the logic here. So you have to practicalize whatever you see me doing here also, so you can do it on your own. This is how you can become perfect. And the good thing about this is, once you learn this skill of website creating, you can start creating website for anybody. You can become a freelancer on your own and registering on freelancer site. Then people will start looking for you to create a website or a blog site for them. You will literally learn how to create auto blogging. So instead of you start typing all this, there's auto blogging. You don't have to type. It will automatically post the blog in your blog post, your blog site. That one is auto blogging. You don't have to start typing and all this. But poco a poco, one step before other. First learn the beginning before the pro version of this aspect. Now this is the video here. You can click out. The video has been set. Processing video. Just leave it like that. If you have any other thing to type, you can type it around here. So that's how everything here works. Everything here, that's how it works. The major things you need to do, the major things you need to know, I've said it here. I've said the major thing. And another thing is, what if you are a type that you want a label for yourself? For example, there are some blog sites, especially the entertainment blog sites, whereby you are going to see celebrity news, different page. Another one you are going to see political news. Another one you are going to see video news. I hope you understand that there are different sections, right? How can you create this section on your blog page too? That's what you are going to do next. Let's save this video. Let's go and check what we've done so far. Let's go and view it. Let's view it. Okay, my first blog page. I am Potential by name. Can you see the video? Let's click on it and watch the video. Give it some time. Click on it again and give it some time.
Okay, this is the Adapt platform now, and there are several ways you can earn money on Adapt. Several ways to earn money on the platform. So you can earn money by simply running free ads.
You can pause it and start reading more of your news or your blog post. Anybody that's interested can comment. Now let's go back. If you check back this website, this blog site, you see that it does not have any section. This is what we call a one-page website. It's not taking them to any other page, no section. So we want to create a section like home, contact, news, all those how we used to see it in other blog sites. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. So you are going to create different sections for it. Let's go back to create different section. How do we create different section? I'm going to click on this. Click on layout. This layout is another back end of making your own blog site or website to design it to a fantastic one. For example, the current theme of your website, our blog site right now, is not too professional. If you want to change it, this is where we are going to come to change it. There are several ways of changing that. I'll teach you all those ones too. Now, the first aspect to do is change the labels. This is it here. Can you see label guard get all label? Show this widget as label. Save. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. About me, add a guard get. But before all these ones, let's first change the theme. Let me check the time right now. 11 minutes. Let's see if we can finish this course within 30 minutes. Check the theme. You go to B template. That's where you can see the theme. B template means blogger template. You pick up a theme that you like. Click on this 3-minute icon here. You have to select a theme by checking how fast it is. Can it be ranked by SEO, which is the search engine optimization? Can it be ranked? Can you see? Check the style, check the features, check the topic, check the color, check the columns. So in order to not waste our time, the one I use most is this SEO. Click on and download. You can click on demo to check how it's going to look on your website. This is this demo. This is how it's going to look. If you are on a flat screen like a pad, but on a phone, change it to phone back. This is how it's going to look on phone. Can you see? This is exactly how our blog site is going to look like. Now let's download it. We need this. This is what we want. Let's download it. Let's download by free download. We want it to be free. You don't have any money to spend there. Check it if it's downloading or not. It has been downloaded. Now let's go back to our blog site. Okay. So to change our theme, you see this section of theme after this layout. Click on it. The section of theme after the layout. Then click on this drop down arrow here, this orange drop down arrow. Click on it. It's going to pop up something for you if you click on it. No, back. This is not where I want. This drop down arrow, that's what I'm trying to click on. Click on this drop down arrow. Can you see it's bringing back up, restore, switch to first generation. What you want is restore. You want to go and upload another theme. You don't like this current theme that they suggest for you. You want your own theme. Well, I think I've made something. I have a theme here I can use, but before that, I want to show you something else you have to do. Let's go back to that our download. You see, this is a zip. We have to extract the file first. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. You have to extract the file. Let's go and check our file manager to extract the file. If not, it's not going to show. Let's go to check our file manager. file manager. We have 15 minutes left, I think. All files. Let's check our download. What we just download now to height, can you see? It's still a zip format. Start clicking them to extract the zip. What's wrong? I'm trying to extract the file, but it's bringing something else for me. To write free as it's not opening the file. Let's try going back to our blog site. Let's go back to our blog site. Let's see what is happening. And let's click on the theme. Let's try to extract, restore, upload, download, switch it back to downloads. We are going to see your zip. You know what's happening? It's not loading. It's supposed to bring something like extract file. Let's delete it and download a new one. It's not extracting the file. Or probably because of the video I'm doing. Let me pause the video. I will get back to you once I extract the file, and I will show you the process of how I did it. Okay, we are going to continue how to change the theme in our next class. I don't want it to be too long. Something is happening there and I have to figure it out, but I can't figure it out right now. I was unable to figure it out, but before our next class I'm going to try to figure it out. On the norms, the way I did it, that's how it's supposed to go, but now it's saying the zip has been archived or something, so I have to go and get it out. I will teach you how to do that next class. Let's stop here for now. Thank you. See you in the next class.